What's up, everybody on YouTube? Mischief Men here. We are at Tractor Supply, as you already seen, getting a propane tank filled real quick. So we have heat tonight at the shop.
What else for you?
Oh, that'll be it. Just propane.
4.8. 7 for change.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. There's your receipt. Have a good day.
The picture's so clear, bro. Yeah, clear, bro. Yeah, I've been going off. I'm just trying to get it in. Where's my kid? I'm just trying to do what I need. I'm just trying to get my ends. Yeah. I'm just trying to get my ends. 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 Yeah. Who gon' stop me when I pull up looking hella crispy? Who gon' stop me when I pull up getting all them digits? Who gon' stop me when I pull up like me? Not like you, just like me. Cause I do it so clear. I'm just trying to get what I deserve. I'm just trying to get that right and swerve. You gotta get it. Yeah. You gotta coach. You gotta do it. Show you the most. You know we flow it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. There she is.
Don't let me go shopping.
She bought a lot of stuff.
I've been going off. Everything above the top, yeah. Everything been a wreck. I can't even explain, no. They just want me down. I'm just trying to stay up, yeah, bro. I'm just trying to get it in. I just wanna get it in.
Hey, look who comes out of nowhere.
You should just disappear, bro. Yo, the picture's so clear, bro. Yeah, clear, bro. Yeah.
Pulling up to the Dollar Tree to get fucking dollar tarps. Alright, let's find them tarps. We in the dollar store where everything's a dollar. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Get 3 of these jobbies. Now I have to find my girlfriend again. Oh.
Tell that cutie to come film me. Tell that cutie to come film me. Tell that
I don't work till 3 tomorrow.
Here at the shop, about to grab some tools to work on the parts car, take off the lower control arm and the hub so I can put that on my car, because definitely needs a hub from drifting at the drift track. Broke the ball joint, so I gotta put a new hub on. We back at my house. We got the tools. We're gonna take off these hubs. So we're taking off the control arm right here, this thing, so that we can put it on my drift car, the E36 that's at the shop. This is the parts car. bigger than that. What the hell? Oh, shit. That really hurt. Oh, I just bashed my knee into that. Oh, painful. Oh, Jesus. Oh, you suck. You suck. Whew. That hurt my knee. I'm gonna totally have to bring the jack up here later. So this isn't all gonna get done at one time today, probably. Probably have to start on it tomorrow and finish what I was doing. Like bring the jack up here tomorrow. I'm gonna finish unbolting everything, so that all I have to do is come up here, lift it up, and then pull all the fucking control arms off on each side. So it shouldn't be nothing. Back to unbolting stuff. I'm gonna leave here shortly after we're done eating dinner, and then we are going, or myself, I'm going to the shop to meet up with Berkey and some of the Mischief men. We're gonna get some tarping done at the shop and let you guys know what we're doing with the E36. Yeah, stay tuned. Just left my house, on the way to the shop right now to meet up with Berkey. We doing shop shit. Alright, we're in the shop. Sorry if it's loud. We got the torpedo on, fucking propane on. We need an actual torpedo, like a big one. An oil heater. So we got tarp. I went to Harbor Freight, got that tarp. Gotta put shit up there and finish all the rest that's going on. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. And then later we're gonna talk about the E36 and the plans for this. You can see the hood's ripped off. We've already been doing a little bit of something. I still gotta go, like I was doing earlier, unbolting the control arm so I can bring that up here tomorrow. I just need to get the jack, which is somewhere around here. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We got Berkey Films over here, putting up a light so we can put a bench right here. Oh, perfect timing.
Dark corner is lit up.
Nice. Now we can see the engine bay and shit like a little bit better. Which we need to get a light up there, or get that one working. That like needs to start fucking working. I got a light bulb for it, put it in, didn't do anything, so it's like completely fucked. Mission is to get a new light for that place, for that spot. We got one tarp up. Next one's going up. Those are the only spots left. We got this spot filled, little hole there, two little spots there, and then this big section back here. Putting up one now. Tarp's almost done. Alright, we're about to move the Mini Minto so we can put this last two sections of tarp up real quick. Squeeze past here. I'm going back. jack stands real quick. Well guys, the ceiling is done. It's all tarped up. Stays a little bit warmer in here now when you have the heat on. Anyways, to the E36. I want to let you guys know what I'm doing with this. I am going to actually change it into a truck. So I'm going to cut out from here, leave this pillar, this frame, whatever it is, pillar, yeah. And we're gonna cut from there, move all this back, cut this out, make it look like a truck so that loses weight from the car. So makes it a lot easier to throw around. We're gonna tube it up in there, put a roll bar on the back, and then a frame down here. So that's a little bit on what we're gonna do with the E36. Actually, tube up the rear too as well, and do a front bash bar right on the front. So that's a little bit of what is gonna happen with this car. Pretty much just a vlog video today on what we did. Got tarp and grinding wheels to cut this car up. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys go like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more videos that come out. More YouTube shit coming. Stay tuned for the Mischief Men. Bam.